Ensure there is clearance around the entire track. Clean the track. Remove the 2 bolts. And removable end keeper plate, and install the TrackGrip onto the track pad. The track should be protruding from under the Mighty Grip. Make sure the fixed end keeper is seated against the edge of the track. The removable end keeper side will be close to the other end of the track. Install the keeper plate using the supplied bolts. The top 2 pins are used for alignment only. Always hand start the bolts. Use a spanner or wrench. Once the keeper plate is attached, there has to be a gap. Note, do not remove the locator nuts on the keeper plate. The removable head plate and track grip do not need to be flush, as long as the bolts are tight. Install additional track grips every 5th track pad. Important information: do not over-tighten. Do not use impact tools to tighten bolts. No more than 94 pounds of torque on bolts. After confirming correct placement, perform another fit check after 10 minutes of use. Check periodically to ensure bolts are still tight. On removal, lube bolt threads with grease or oil. Ensure correct protective equipment, including gloves and safety glasses, are used during installation.
TrackGrip. Tougher than the toughest terrain.